even those who are not natural, they can use the same products as we natural people. We're not that selfish. Yeah, we are not selfish. Anyway, it's a wash day. It's a wash day. It's a wash day. It's a wash day. Yeah. Lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's Moana, and today is a wash day. Ta-da! So this is like the updated version of a wash day because I'm using new products from, guess what, from drumroll, AFRO MO. Yeah, they have these amazing products for all natural hair. Shampoo, starting from shampoo, conditioner, treatment. They have hair booster. I have tried their hair booster before during lockdown. It was so nice. It could keep the moisture into the hair. And they have the texture, the product that keeps your texture, like, I don't know how to say it, but their products are amazing. I've read very good reviews about them, so that's why I decided today I'm going to try their shampoo and treatment, the leave-in treatment, and then tell you what's up, if you can try them. If not, are they worth it? Yes, they are somehow ish on a high-end ish, because I got the shampoo at 30,000, but I think it is money because the bottle, hold on, this is a shampoo bottle. It is big. It is a 473 mils. I think with the 30,000 Ugandan shilling, it is worth it because the bottle is big, and I think it's going to laser very well. So I mean, like, I'm going to use small so that it doesn't, so that I don't waste it. Anyway, so yeah, Nature's Fusion. It's a salon series, and I don't know, it says gentle cleanser, but then it has sulfur, so that means if it has sulfur, it dries up. It cleans up the scalp very well, but I think it dries up because every time I use shampoo that has sulfur, my hair dries up. But then I'm going to use their conditioner, and then I'm going to use my moisturizer, the one I made in a previous video. Yeah, so let's get in. Wash. Hold on. Yeah. So as I told you last time when I was washing my hair, I use normal water, like from the shower, because I don't have a heater. And I think it's okay. It depends on your preference. If you want to use hot water, or do you want to use normal lukewarm water, as long as it is not cold, because cold water already in washing, So I've been wearing these twists. Oh, Jesus. So I've been wearing my hair out for like 3-4 weeks anyway. I don't know. Been wearing my hair in twists for some time. And I'm still going to be wearing it in twists for quite some time because I'm lazy to go to the salon for placing. So lazy. So let's wash this hair. Oh. So I'm going to concentrate more on my scalp. don't know, the smell is like sweet. It smells so nice. It's like sweet, like something eatable, like sweets. I can say like sweets. Shampoo is runny. Okay, I'm trying to find the scent of this shampoo. It smells like toffee, no, cocoa. Something between cocoa, toffee and orbit. So that's the washing. So the next step is putting in the leave-in conditioner so that I can moisturize it. No, I'm going to put leave-in conditioner, detangle, moisturize it and put back. So guys, we are from washing. As you can see, I still have the turban on. So this scarf has helped me dry out my hair, so I don't need to sit in the dryer or use a hand dryer. But then my water is not my hair is not so dry, but it's still damp, still wet-ish, not fully dry, and it is clean now. So you see, clean, and my hair smells fresh. Fresh, if the word anyway worked. Like, yeah, hair feels fresh. So I'm going to apply this. This is a leave-in conditioner, still from AFRO MO. It's Nature's Fusion Extra Moisture leave-in conditioner. moistures and softens the hair, strength and rebuilds it. This, I hope it focuses very well. I'm going to use this and apply this also, because this is the last hair butter I made with aloe vera and shea butter last time. It is still in, still very good, hasn't got any molds, or it is still working well. Haven't put in any water, yeah, so still good to go. Those are the products I'm going to use. So if you don't want, if you have twists like mine and you have washed it in twists and nothing has gone out, so you can just apply this leave-in conditioner just on top of the twists. But as for me, I'm going to undo the twists. Yeah, so I'm done with moisturizing, so we are going to do a style that I'm going to wear for some 3 days to come. So guys, this is the final look, the final hairstyle. This is how it looks like. This is what I have lost. So it's okay to lose hair when you comb it, when you wash it, when you're changing the hairstyle. It is normal. Like hair is grows and gets old. So this is the old hair that is on the tips. So it keeps breaking even when you don't comb, even when you comb, even when you don't wash, even when it is in a protective hairstyle. Yeah, so it keeps breaking because it grows. I mean, this leave-in conditioner is so nice. It feels like when you mix hair with the conditioner, excuse me, when you mix water with the conditioner and then you put it all in the hair, the way the hair feels, I don't know how to explain it, but then I think this is a good conditioner because it makes your hair moisturized and soft. I haven't even sprayed water in it because when I was done plaiting this side, usually I spray with water to make my hair soft again so that I can work with it. But with this, I haven't sprayed water on my hair. So I think when you're using this, it is right, it is true, it keeps the moisture and the hair soft. So I'm going to be using it for the rest of the time, and then in the next hair wash day or hair video, I'll give you how my hair feels about it. But this is the first time I'm using this conditioner, so far it's so good. I like it. Yeah, so guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Yeah, I love my beads. Anyway, if you're new here, you haven't subscribed, please show me some love. Subscribe, hit the notification button so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video, so that you'll be the first to know. Anyway, yeah, be the first to know. And also, if you're just passing by and you just found my video, thank you for clicking it and watching. Also hit the subscribe button and the notification button. And if you're a returning subscriber, oh my god, you're the real deal. You're the real deal. Thank you for showing me love. Mwah. I love you, I love you, love you. And also share my videos with your friends who are natural people. Even those who are not natural, they can use the same products as we natural people. We're not that selfish. Yeah, we are not selfish. Anyway, yeah, so share, comment, subscribe, notification, hit it. Yeah, I'm waiting. Anyway, thank you for watching. Love you. Have a beautiful day.